This is the length my hair has went so far after using this particular recipe I'm going to be sharing today. So make sure you watch till the end. So we'll be using gloves and ginger. Yes, we'll be using gloves and ginger, and gloves is so good on the hair. I'll be writing the benefits of the gloves on the screen and the benefits of the ginger on the hair on the screen. So I'm using extra virgin oil. This is olive oil. Olive oil is also beneficial on the hair, so I'll be leaving the beneficial of olive oil on the screen. Also, I'll be using this my jar, this my unbreakable jar, the blender. I don't have the smaller one. If you have the smaller one, you can actually use the smaller one, but I'm using this big one because that's what I have. So make do with what you have. Okay, so let's go in blending the stuff. So I'm blending it right now. Seriously, I actually blend this thing like 3 times to get that consistency that I want. I want it to be like crunchy, like I want it to be like so sandy. At least I can get the amount of ingredients that I need inside it. At least it will be so good that I get the amount of things, the amount of ingredients inside it. So that's why I blended it like 3 times. And yeah, you can actually, if you have a smaller blender, is okay, because at least it will blend something like that fast. I think, I don't know, but this is how I use mine, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see, I just blended it now, and I'll be showing you all how it looks. See, I just put it back because I blended it back again, because yes, I told you guys that I blended it like 3 times, right? So yeah, so this is what it looks like inside. And can you see it's now okay than before, like than how it is when I blended it the first time. At least it was blended so well now than before. So let's go straight to cooking it. So we'll be frying this particular ingredient. So but please don't make sure that you don't burn this particular ingredient, because if you burn it, like it will be waste, like it will not be useful anymore. So make sure you are frying it on a low heat. Me, I'm using electric cooker on this, because my electric cooker is not that too high whenever I put it like in second or first heat. So make sure if you're using gas cooker, please put it on the lowest heat, so that you can get this, as in make useful, like you can get useful thing from these ingredients. Please don't over fry it. Okay, you'll be seeing how I'm doing it here, and everything. I'll see everything I'm doing here. You guys are seeing it, so no need of like explain it, right? But at least I need to explain. So as you can see, I'm just frying it on a lower heat. If you see how it is, you know that yes, it's frying on a lower heat. Can you see? So that's it right now. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe and comment down below. Comment down below, guys, and like this particular video. Don't forget to like this video, please. I really need it. Like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, if you know that this maybe you have used this oil before and it's good on your hair, comment down below also. I'll be really looking forward to seeing your comments. Okay, all right, so let's see the oil. You can use anything. You can use wig cap. Me, I'm using handkerchief. Yeah, You can use wig cap. Wig cap is okay, but don't use the one that you have already like used on your hair. Use the one that is new wig cap is okay. Please use it and strain it. I'm using this particular handkerchief to strain mine, and that's what I have wig cap, but I'm always using this handkerchief on my recipes, so yeah, that's what I'm using. Okay guys, please make sure you wash, subscribe. I'm always saying that subscribe, please subscribe. Don't just watch my video and just go. Subscribe and comment and like, please. Okay, this particular ingredients helped me a lot. In less than 15 days, like 12 days, my hair has grown 1 inch. As in my hair has grown 1 inch using this particular oil and my glove water recipe. I'll be leaving the link of the glove water recipe on top here for you guys to go and watch it. Make sure you watch that glove water recipe and make it and use it on your hair with this particular oil. After using the glove water, you apply this oil on your hair. Yeah, you'll be seeing it on this video, as in how I'll be applying it on my hair, at least like you will do it also. Yeah, I'll be showing it at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Okay, this is the how it looks after straining it. As you can see, it now look like you can see that it's not burnt. You can see it's not burnt. So yeah, that's how your own needs to look like. And this oil is so okay on the skin, like it will leave your skin so shiny. Sometimes I used to rub it on my stretch mark. Yeah, and it's good also. You see, I'm giving you a secret recipe now on stretch mark. Okay guys, yeah, so this is me putting it inside the jar that I'm using. Yeah, my spray bottle, I only have like 2 spray bottle and things are inside it, so I just like brought out my hair oil jar that's just finished, and I use it for this. Yeah, so that's it. And also I also put vitamin E capsule inside it. Yeah, you can buy any vitamin E capsule. I'm using just 1 capsule because the oil is not that big, so you can, if you have ordinary like normal vitamin E oil, you can put it, but I'm using capsule. You can actually go to any chemist shop and buy, or pharmacist, and buy vitamin E oil. Yeah, it's very good. Seriously, vitamin E oil is very good on the hair, on the skin. Like, see this particular oil, you can actually use it on your skin, stretch marks, like I'm just showing you guys secrets. All right, so this is me. I just losing my hair now, like just today. I losing my hair just today, not quite long. Yeah, so you guys can see I've not like combed it, so I'm just using my hand to like go through it to detangle it, so that like detangle everything, because it's good to use your hand to go through your hair to detangle your hair before you can like do anything like going into with your comb. Please make sure you use your hand to detangle your hair. Spray water or leave-in condition on your hair. I'm spraying my glove water on my hair because this glove water is magical. Like, it's really helping me on my hair growth and I love it. Make sure you try this. Go and watch that video. Try it, guys. So I'm spraying it so that my hair will be soft to comb. So I'm using my wide tooth comb. Use your wide tooth comb, please. Use wide tooth comb. Don't go and use all these small ones, I beg, so that your hair will not shed. Use white tooth comb, okay? And this glove water doesn't make hair to shed that much. I can remember when I was growing my hair, like from the beginning, it was shedding like seriously, but since I started using this glove water, my hair just stopped shedding. Like, it stopped shedding, seriously. You can see my hair, how it's looking and everything. You can see that. So yeah, guys, I'm combing it so well, at least. Yeah, I'm even happy when I checked my hair, and my hair like my hair is I don't know what to say, but my hair was almost like that I can pack my hair up. I was like, wow. So my hair, I can really pack my hair up right now. In less than 1 year, guys. I started this hair. When did I even barb my hair? That was last year, 2022. I didn't even expect that my hair would grow like this. But that's all for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a new video, and also make sure you comment down below. Yeah, as in put a comment if you know that this particular ingredients has helped you before, or you like it and you are going to try it, or you like to try it. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what you think about it. Okay, all right, guys, I really appreciate you all coming here. So this is the oil. Can you see? You can see that this is not the amount how the oil is as on that video. It means that I've been using it, right? I've used it like 1 week now before I did this particular video. So I just want to I like showing you guys results or that I'm using it. I cannot just do something that I'm not using, guys. Yeah, I'm using it. So it's to tell you guys that yeah, I'm using it. So this is the amount of shedding that come out, the hair that came out from my hair. So it's not that big, you see. It's working. So bye.